China is like a rocket in terms of development in Asia, even globally. The country has undergone insane transformations that no other country has experienced in the last 3 decades. It's no small feat. China is estimated to spend $12.415 trillion to boost investment and support its economy. A total of 102 mega projects have been included in the development plan, valued at an astonishing amount. The first mega project we'll talk about is the huge dam in Tibet stretching across the Brahmaputra River, aimed at generating 3 times the electricity produced by the world's 3 largest hydroelectric gorges. Rumor has it, this will become the world's largest dam, producing 300 billion kilowatts of electricity annually. Incredible! Since its announcement in 2021, this mega project has sparked a lot of debate. According to many experts, it's the riskiest mega project in the world. Not just because of the vulnerability to landslides, the largest recorded earthquake center, or difficult access. The dam's location is also very close to a disputed border between China and India, which is a major issue. But the mega project must proceed. The reason is that China still heavily relies on coal electricity, so this effort aims to reach the peak of carbon emissions by 2035 and become carbon neutral by 2060. To achieve this, the Chinese government has prepared a huge budget of about $36 billion. Even more astonishing, while many countries are still busy developing their subway systems, China's high-speed train is building the world's first and longest undersea tunnel. It has even surprised American scientists. The tunnel will connect Ningbo City with the Zhoushan archipelago over 10 miles in the eastern waters. This mega project was planned in 2018. After 2 years of preparation, the technical proposal for the undersea tunnel was finally implemented in 2020. If the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge features an immersed tube tunnel, the Ningbo-Zhoushan undersea railway tunnel will be submerged even deeper, with a maximum depth of 256 feet, setting a new record. Until now, traveling from Ningbo to Zhoushan took about 1.5 hours by car. The goal of the undersea tunnel project is to reduce this travel time to 30 minutes with a speed of 155 miles per hour. However, it's not just for high-speed trains. The project also allows motor vehicles to travel underwater through a separate tunnel. Even more astonishing, the project is already underway with a budget of $49.3 billion and is planned to be completed by 2027. The Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge is another mega project of incredible value. First proposed in the 1980s, it was completed in 2018. The HZMB includes 4.2 miles underwater tunnel. Originally scheduled to be completed in 2016, it was delayed due to shortages of materials and labor. The cost incurred by the government was also staggering, reaching $19.7 billion. Upon completion, this gigantic 34 miles project immediately ranked among the top 10 longest in the world, and became the longest sea-crossing bridge in the world. Previously, there was no direct road connecting Macau and Zhuhai. The Human Pearl River Bridge was the only way, requiring at least 4 hours by car. Another option was to take a ferry, which took about an hour, not including the travel time back and forth between Macau and Zhuhai. After opening, the travel time from Hong Kong to Macau is now just half an hour. However, the primary goal of this project was actually to compete with the economic centers in San Francisco, New York, and Tokyo. Known as the City of Flowers, the Giant Club of China will have a luxurious and magnificent stadium designed in the shape of a lotus flower. It stands on an area of 3.2 million square feet, with a building area of about 1.6 million square feet. The construction of the stadium began in April 2020. Besides its appealing design, its color can change with lighting effects, and the inside roof of the stadium can display the score of the match. The Guangzhou Evergrande has a total of 7 floors, with 2 of them underground. If completed as planned by the end of 2022, the Guangzhou Evergrande Stadium will surpass Camp Nou as the largest stadium. Initially, the stadium had a seating capacity of 58,500, but now it has been expanded to accommodate 100,000 seats. In addition to the seats, there are 16 VVIP rooms, 152 VIP private rooms, and world-class sports facilities. With all its grandeur, the construction of this stadium is estimated to cost $1.82 billion, making it the most expensive stadium ever built. Among the mega projects built by China, bridges are the most numerous, and the highest of these is located in southwestern China. Not only the highest in China, but the Bayang Bridge also holds the record for the highest bridge in the world according to the Guinness World Records. Its height reaches 1,854 feet above sea level. However, if we consider the average depth of the seabed to be 11,482 feet, it means the bridge stands at an elevation of 13,123 feet from the seabed. In addition to being the highest, the Bayang Bridge spans 4,400 feet, making it the second longest in the world. The bridge connects Xuanwei City in Yunnan with Shuicheng County in Guizhou, effectively reducing travel time from 5 hours to 2 hours. The construction process took 3 years and was officially opened in 2016 with construction costs of about $133 million. For its success in building this bridge, the developers received numerous awards, including Bridge Nobels, patents, and medals. Represents yet another extraordinary mega project constructed by China. This project is the Beijing Daxing International Airport, situated in Beijing, China. Spanning an area of 700,000 square meters, equivalent to about 100 soccer fields, the airport's design, reminiscent of a starfish, stands out as a first point of beauty among the world's largest airports. Since its inception in 2014 and completion in 2019, this mega project has incurred costs amounting to $12.07 billion. As a colossal airport, it naturally becomes the second busiest airport globally. The airport aims to accommodate 72 million passengers and 2 million tons of cargo annually by 2025. This target is deemed realistic given the airport's 7 runways, which are capable of handling 100 million passengers. With 79 gates arranged for efficiency, the airport's design emphasizes environmental friendliness, high-technology features, and, most importantly, passenger comfort. Its thoughtful design and state-of-the-art facilities reflect a commitment to providing a seamless and luxurious experience for travelers, showcasing China's ambition and technological prowess in the global infrastructure arena.